Nobel laureate Mohammad Yunus has taken oath as the head of the interim government in Bangladesh, replacing Sheikh Hasina. A 16-member council of advisors will assist Yunus in running the state's affair. Mohammad Nahid Islam and Asif Mohammed, two key organizers of the anti-discrimination student movement, are also part of this advisory council. Now, Yunus has been sworn in as the chief advisor, a position equivalent to a prime minister. The interim government will lead the country for a certain period and oversee the election to transition power to an elected government very soon. And as far as India is concerned, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has extended best wishes to Yunus, hoping for an early return of normalcy and ensuring safety of Hindus and other minority communities in that country. Now, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi has also said that swift restoration of peace and normalcy is a need of the hour in Bangladesh. And Bangladesh newly appointed leader had in fact earlier urged all those who are doing violence to stop it and promised not to resort to any repressive measures against anyone. Listen in.
এর মধ্যে আমরা শুনলাম আসার পথে শুনে আসছি যে এখানে আইন শৃঙ্খলার ব্যাঘাত হচ্ছে, মানুষকে আক্রমণ করছে, ঘরবাড়ি জ্বালিয়ে দিচ্ছে, সম্পদ জ্বালিয়ে নষ্ট করছে, চুরি করছে, দিয়ে যাচ্ছে, অফিস আদালতে আক্রমণ করছে, সংখ্যালঘুদের উপর আক্রমণ করছে, হিন্দু, বৌদ্ধ, খ্রিস্টান, আহমদিয়া সবার উপর আক্রমণ করছে। এগুলো হলো ষড়যন্ত্রের অংশ। এগুলো আমাদের বিষয় না, আমাদের কাজ হলো এটাকে রক্ষা করা। এই স্বাধীনতাটা আমাদেরকে রক্ষা করতেই হবে, শুধু রক্ষা করা নয়, এই স্বাধীনতার সুফল প্রতিটি মানুষের ঘরে পৌঁছাতে হবে, তা না হলে এই স্বাধীনতার কোনো দাম নাই। এই স্বাধীনতাটাকে পৌঁছানোর হলে আমাদের শপথ, আমাদের যে প্রতিজ্ঞা যে আমাদেরকে এটা করতে হবে, ঘরে ঘরে পৌঁছাতে হবে। মানুষ যেন জানে যে বাংলাদেশ স্বাধীন হওয়ার অর্থ হলো তার নিজের পরিবর্তন, ব্যক্তির পরিবর্তন, সুযোগের পরিবর্তন, তার ছেলে মেয়ের ভবিষ্যতের পরিবর্তন।
My colleague Rishabh joins me live on the broadcast. Rishabh, good morning. Do tell us, in fact, Mohammad Yunus has taken oath as the head of the interim government. Do we have any idea for how long this interim government will lead and new as well as fresh elections will take place?
Well, Akansha, good morning. If we go by the constitution of Bangladesh, within 90 days, the elections need to be called in, is what the interim government setup is given space in the constitution, that within 90 days of constitution of interim government, there will be an election for a fresh democratically elected government in Bangladesh. But that is when there is things which are as per books. Right now, in Bangladesh, things are not as per books. Violence is still ensuing. The situation is fluid. Violence against minorities, looting, arson, what not, be it in Dhaka, be it in Mirpur, be it in Sylhet, be it in Rajshahi or Chittagong. Things are similar and horrific everywhere in Bangladesh right now. And everyone now wants things to get back to normal. Be it Mohammad Yunus, who returned from Paris yesterday only and took over the interim government after taking oath. He has, appealed for peace. So has Khalida Zia, the leader of BNP. But peace is, as of now, looking far-sighted because the goons on streets are out on rampage, and the biggest challenge for the interim government would be to curtail the violence and then have a conducive environment to have elections.
Right. So it remains to be seen when the fresh elections will take place. But for now, Mohammad Yunus has taken over the interim government. Thanking Rishabh for all the details. With this, we're heading to a short break. We'll be right back with more news and updates. Stay with us.